Halesia monticola information. Halesia monticola, commonly known as mountain silverbell or mountain snowbell, is a deciduous tree that is native to the eastern United States. Here is some information about this tree. Appearance: mountain silverbell is a medium-sized tree that typically grows to a height of 30 to 40 feet, 9 to 12 meters, and a spread of 15 to 20 feet, 4.5 to 6 meters. It has a conical to oval-shaped crown and a straight trunk with a diameter of up to 1 foot, 30 centimeters. The bark is grayish-brown and smooth when young, but becomes rough and scaly with age. The leaves are ovate to elliptic in shape, up to 5 inches, 12.7 centimeters, long and 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters, wide, and are dark green in color. In the spring, the tree produces pendulous clusters of bell-shaped flowers that are 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters, long and white or creamy white in color. The fruit is a dry, woody capsule that splits open to release the seeds. Habitat: mountain silverbell is typically found in moist, well-drained soils in wooded areas, along streams, and in ravines. It is often found in mixed hardwood forests, along with other trees such as oaks, hickories, and maples. It is native to the Appalachian Mountains, ranging from Pennsylvania to Georgia. Growing conditions: mountain silverbell prefers partial shade to full sun and moist, well-drained soils that are rich in organic matter. It can tolerate some drought once established but prefers to be kept consistently moist. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 to 8. Uses: mountain silverbell is often used as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens for its beautiful spring flowers. It can also be used as a specimen tree or in mixed borders. The wood is hard and strong, but not commercially valuable due to the small size of the tree. Threats: mountain silverbell is not currently considered a threatened species, but its habitat is threatened by logging, development, and other human activities. It is also susceptible to several diseases and pests, including leaf spot, canker, and scale insects.